Hi best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to have a flip through of 2 bee journals. But first let's have our shout out to Antonio Makes, S.M. Cox, Janice, Angela, Pamela, and Lala Gamma. I appreciate each and every one of you. Alright you guys, this is actually listed as number 1 over my Etsy shop, and this is listed as number 2. So let's just quickly flip through number 1. So I am just really going to just quickly go through this. I'm not going to go through every single thing, and they are quite different, even though I have used the same papers in each one of them. They've all turned out differently. So this is approximately 7.5, let me see, no, 8.5, excuse me, the 8.5 by 5.5, and it has 17 pages, and it's heavily decorated. It has charms that hang down, some rhinestone, golden rhinestones with a bee and a heart. It's got a soft cover. It is machine stitched all the way around. It's got some gilding all the way around in gold. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through this. There's 2 tuck spots here, some tissue paper, beautiful picture here. It's got a booklet and a belly band, tracing paper, coffee dyed doily, a pocket with a couple of pieces of ephemera, another belly band with another booklet. It has a 2 pocket, this is an envelope that is hand sewn into the journal, and it has a tuck spot here, and it has 2 pieces of ephemera right here. This one has a little black safety pin with some gold and yellow beads put on it. It's real sweet. A little tiny tag right here. Okay, I must quickly go because we have another one to go through. This one has a little pocket, has 2 little pieces of ephemera. This is an envelope that has a piece of ephemera inside. Oops, right here is a corner pocket using a tag. And there are 3 pieces of ephemera here. There is some more tracing paper with some beautiful punch out. I made a belly band using the tickets, another booklet. The postcard is another type of belly band with 2 pieces of ephemera here, a pocket with 3 pieces of ephemera, and there's a flip on this one, and a fold out right here on this mini faux envelope, some more tracing paper. These little tags fold out this way for journaling space. This one is the flip flap flop, and it goes just like that. This is the flap of the envelope that was hand sewn in. There's 3 pieces of ephemera here in this pocket. There is another tag with a flip out faux envelope, a coffee dyed doily, some more tracing paper. Now you know you can write on this tracing paper. It takes especially pencil beautifully. There's a seed envelope here and a nice page to do some journaling. And there's a beautiful image here, some more tissue paper, and then here's a little envelope that's sewn in to the back cover, and this tag flips out. There's pieces of ephemera inside, and then the sunflower on the front with the beautiful shabby-dabby-doo-dah orange bow. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this one. Now let's quickly go through this one. Now they're both held closed with some beautiful metallic black and gold ribbon. It's quite beautiful. This cover is made the same way, but it has a different image on it. It's a beautiful bumblebee. And it is soft cover, machine stitched around with the same little jewels and charms that are hanging from the bottom. It is gilded all the way around on both sides. And we open this one up, and we have an envelope here with some beautiful butterflies. We have a piece of ephemera, nice journaling space right here. We have a couple of pieces of ephemera inside this pocket. We have a little tuck spot right here. There's a doily, and we have a little paper clip here that holds this flip, flap, flop closed. I'm going to put this back very quickly here. Then we have a belly band with a couple of pieces of ephemera. We have a glassine bag with 2 pieces of ephemera. We have some tissue paper. We have an envelope with a journaling card inside. We have a pocket with 2 more pieces of journaling card. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. I love this page because I love to see these butterflies. I think that's so pretty. So nice journaling spot. And here we have some postcards that flip up. You can do some secret writing right here. And here's a side tuck right here with some stamping. And this just flips up for some writing. There's another envelope here with some papers inside and a belly band with a nice piece of paper, coffee dyed paper, to write your whatever it is that you want to write on there. And let's put that right on there like that. Nice little spot to journal. Here's another 2 more pieces of ephemera. I think that looks so beautiful there. And then here, this is an envelope. That's what this is, a hand sewn, a sewn in envelope by hand. Then just a piece of journaling paper in here, this envelope. There we go. And then this little tuck spot right here with some pieces of ephemera. And then here we have a flip. Flips out 2 places to write. Some more tracing paper that has that punch that's so pretty. And then we have some flips right here. They both flip out for journaling. And we made this tag together. And there's another envelope. That's a beautiful image right there. And then here we have a glassine bag with a piece of ephemera and a tag. And we have a pocket here with a seed envelope with some ephemera inside. And we have another journaling card. Isn't that absolutely breathtaking? I put a little journaling card for decoration on the doily, both sides. And then we have another little tuck spot here. And got some more journaling paper. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love how these turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this little flip through. And if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.